A nice warm Monday morning, and today we're over at Ash Ranges. It's open for the day, so we're going to take advantage of it. It's quite mild but windy, so I haven't turned the mic on yet. Big mistake. So we've got the mic on now. Hopefully that makes the sound quality a bit better, because it is going to be quite windy today. But let's see what. And Mimi had a day off yesterday, so she should be okay. Oh wow! Oh, there you are. We're just having a bit of a standoff. Yeah. So they've been basically playing rough housing all morning. So we'll see how we go. So we're watching the stalker and the stalky. There we are. It's amazing how quickly this is filled up with water. So we're on a standoff again before the next run around. I hope this microphone is working, because it is very windy this morning. Very windy indeed, but look at those autumnal colours. They are gorgeous. Go on, walk on, walk on. It is very nice today. Very nice indeed. Well, we weren't expecting rain, that's for sure, but it hasn't dampened the spirits in any way, shape or form. We are still in high energy mode. Yeah, still going, and I suspect still be going weeks after. Let's just do a circle. I have to say, Mia is a perfect match for Mara Jr. They're both very high energy, so coming over here is perfect. Let's just hope we can get all the way through. Oh, that's it. Top of the hill, out of breath, but stunning views. That's the hog's back over there, and that's my little baby. And now we're just going to carry around a random bit of wood just to increase those neck muscles. Although MJ managed to catch a rat yesterday, which was interesting to say the least. So I didn't actually see her catch it, and she must have caught it outside. I hope she caught it outside, but she decided to bring it in and put it in her safe spot in the bedroom, on the bed, in between the two pillows. So as I went to bed last night, I thought I'll just move that toy off there. I picked it up and it felt, yeah, and it was a dead rat. So yeah, we managed to get it in a poo bag and throw it in the bin. But yes, we won't be well, we've shoved everything into the washing machine, everything in that room. Pillows, pillowcases, bedding, sheets, everything. And we slept on the sofa last night. I just didn't have the energy to strip the bed down and rebuild it last night. But hey, if you're going to be a minx, be an absolutely gorgeous, yummy, scrummy minx like Mia, MJ rather. Sitting here in the heather, chowing down on a random log. Yeah, I couldn't actually see her then. There she is. Somebody is absolutely perfectly camouflaged in this autumnal colours. Yeah, the ears are flapping today, that's for sure. Come on, walk on. Cresting the top of a little hill. I do love a good cresting. You get to see all the views. Oh, the ears are flappy today. God, it's a windy one. Look at that for a view though. Oh, with those autumnal colours. Hey. Yeah. You right there, pup pup? Yeah. Shall we have a treat? There you go. It is windy as hell, but stunningly beautiful. Right, the question is, can we 1 time zoom in, 2 times zoom, 4 times zoom, 8 times zoom on the old clock tower? Yeah, that worked quite well. And then back to widescreen. As you can see, the girls are still enjoying themselves. Yeah, let's go up this one. Let's go this way today, because that's roughly where we're heading. You were wise, Mimi, wise beyond your years. Oh, here we go. Oh, poor girl. We are still in the rough and tumble phase. So yes, we're definitely going to do the roller coasters, because there's still energy to burn there by the looks of it, I would say. And then a rare bit of calm. Oh, it's water, that's why. Yeah, I was going to say a rare bit of calm, but yeah, it was just having a water stop, which of course is then going to replenish their batteries as well. Yeah, that's Mia just having a roll in what I can only think is something that she shouldn't be rolling in. Again, up again, into the wind. I'm hoping that there's a little path up here that we can take that will take us a bit of a shorter route, but so I can see where we want to go, but I can't see any paths on the map. So it looks like, oh no, maybe. Oh, I've just seen something up there. Well, we'll see when we get round the corner. Yeah, that's the hill we've got to go up and down. But over there, if you can just about make it out, is a little track where vehicles have obviously been before. So I'm wondering whether we go cross country and give it a go. So yes, we're going to go on an adventure. I mainly just want to see what this is like for a run on Saturday, because it's open again over the weekend. But yeah, this looks as though it could be quite nice. It misses out the 2 big hills. They're having an absolute ball. Oh, look at them. I think we can go down this one here. Yeah, we can. So we'll just let these 2 squabble out. You're having so much fun today, aren't you? Look at that amazing view. Let's just go widescreen. That's the Hog's Back over there, and the other side of that is Putnam, basically. I'm going to try some 120 frames a second. I'm hoping that Mara will go through the water. Oh well. We're going to try and get a slow-mo shot of Mimi just walking along, as you do. Yeah, turn round and in and cut. Good girl. And they're off again. Well, we're back on familiar territory. Look at the colour of those trees. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we're off again. I don't think I've got the mic turned on, so it might be iPhone quality. One for Mia, one for Mimi. Mara? Mara? No, you've had one. You have had one. Come on, let's go. Oh, she's gonna, oh, yeah. She's gonna have a little roll in whatever. Mia, come on! Have a little roll in whatever MJ was rolling in earlier. One of the benefits of short hair is that when she does roll in stuff, it tends to fall off quite quickly, unlike MJ, who... Mara, come here. Let's just... So, I hope you can see that on her back. This bit here is all where she's been rolling in something. Anyway, shall we give him another treat? Yeah, let's give him another treat, shall we? Right, let's... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. There we go. All done. We're all done. Go on then, carry on. Nothing like a incoming Mimi shot. Energy levels are still high. Yeah. Oh, we're chewing on something, and I'm going to guess that. Oh, yeah, I don't really want you chewing on that, Bubba. Definitely something down there. Tree roots, maybe. I'm not sure whether it's about to rain or the sun is coming out. Got a bit of both at the moment, but it hasn't dampened the spirits of the girls, who are currently chomping along up here. They are still full of beans. What you have to, Bubba? Because every time Daddy sits down, you think you're going to get a treat, don't you? Sadly not today. Anyway, this is it. This is the lake, and we're all done now. Just let Mara Jr. have a good old chomp on the weeds and grass. So that is it. That's the end of our walk. Just back to the van now. Oh, well. I say the end of our walk, I've just lost, there's, oh yeah, there she is. Yes, I see you, Bubba. Yeah, finished on a nice little lake view, and we are done.